How to make your Outlook full screen. To make your Outlook full screen in Classic Outlook, just follow these simple steps. First of all, open your Outlook and then just click on this little ribbon display options. And here you can change ribbon layout to classic ribbon or simplified ribbon. Or here you can select show tabs only, and then all of your top menus will be hide. And now to make your Outlook full screen, all you have to need, go to home and here just click on this ribbon option and here select full screen mode. And now your Outlook will be full screen like this. Once you are in Outlook full screen mode, to get the option to exit full screen, just click at the top of your Outlook and here click on this icon again and disable full screen mode. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.